Hello everyone and welcome to the class. Now in this video we're gonna learn the rm, that is the remove command. Okay, so remove a file or a folder we use rm. To simply remove a file we use rm and the file name. To remove a folder we use rm space minus rf and the folder name. Okay, so currently we are inside SD card, and inside SD card we are inside the Debian folder, and inside the Debian folder we are inside zzz. Alright, and we all know that inside zzz we have a txt file that is named as the newagetraveler.txt. Now we want to remove the newagetraveler.txt. Now we know that to remove a file we write rm as remove command and then the file name. You can also check in the file manager that inside zzz we have the new age traveler. Now type rm and the file name. Once you ls, you can see that the new age traveler.txt file has been removed. Also you can check with the file manager. Now we want to remove the zzz folder. For that, just type cd dot dot, we will be inside the Debian folder. Now type rm minus rf and the folder name. And hit enter. Now if you do ls, you can see that zzz folder has been deleted. Now check in the file manager, refresh it, you will see yes, the folder has been deleted.